Hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan Asool and I am from grade O1. Today I am going to provide you guys some information about coronavirus. First of all, we'll discuss what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is an infectious disease caused by a new discovered COVID-19. Most people who fall sick with COVID-19 will experience mild to moderate symptoms and recover without special treatment. The virus that causes COVID 19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on the floors or surfaces. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID 19, or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. CO stands for corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. Most common symptoms of COVID 19 is fever, dry cough, and tiredness. Other symptoms that are less common and may affect some patients, which includes loss of taste or smell, itches and pain, headache, sore throat, congestion, or skin rash. When was COVID first identified? In 31st December 2019, WHO was informed of cases in pneumonia of unknown cause in Wuhan city. China, a novel coronavirus was identified as the cause by Chinese authorities on 7 June 2020. Okay. Symptoms of COVID 19: shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms. People that with mild symptoms and that are healthy should manage their symptoms at home. On average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. Preventions of COVID 19. First of all, we'll talk about vaccines. COVID 19 vaccines helps keeps you from getting seriously ill even if you do get COVID 19. Getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you, particularly people at increased risk for severe illness from COVID 19. Secondly, we will talk about wearing masks. If COVID 19 is spreading in your community, stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as physical distancing, wearing a mask, keeping rooms well ventilated, avoiding crowds, cleaning your hands, and coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. Check local advice where you live and work. Do it all. Make wearing a mask a normal part of being around other people. The appropriate use, storage, and cleaning a disposable of masks are essential to make them as effective as possible. Many people think that how can we detect COVID 19 in our bodies? So, there is only one way to get the COVID 19 to detect COVID 19 is that CPR test. If you have any symptoms, go and get your CPR test. And we will talk about the new variant, which is Delta variant. Since it was identified in late 2020, the Delta variant is quickly becoming the most dominant strain in many parts of the world. And what makes this variant worrisome is that it looks like it's more easily transmissible than previously dominant strains. The Delta variant symptoms are slightly different, with the headaches, fever, sore throat, and runny nose being common, while cough and loss of sense of smell aren't. This picture is taken from Google, and the stats shows the COVID-19 cases reported till now. So have a look at the cases which are reported in Pakistan today. Punjab has the majority cases in Pakistan till now. So be aware of coronavirus, get vaccinated, and thank you.